What's up guys? What is the best thing you can expect and experience in Binsulok Rivercruise? You should sit back, watch me and my partner John do a close-up review on this terrific expedition, and let's get into the intro.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So welcome back everybody. Before we jump into our topic today, we wanted to say thank you to you guys who hop into our channel, because this means a lot to us. In this channel, we're gonna talk about foods and traveling. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, because we will post very good content for the best needs, traveling and foods, mainly in Borneo. So stay awesome guys. To get to this point at MKS BINSULOK, a river cruise, it took us 2 hours of time before we reached our destination from Kota Kinabalu, the capital. So what are the top 8 best reasons why you should come here? So coming up, first, when you arrive there, you will be served a high tea meal, which is really tasty, and we were treated like really good. Number 2, close experience 3 types of monkey, which is the proboscis monkey, long and short-tailed machak monkey. We get the chance to feed the real monkeys, the wild monkeys, and even get the chance to rub their body like we did. And also you might catch a footage of crocodile around, so that's fun. Number 3, explore nature as it best. Experience real habitat, mangrove. Smell the green sand, the breeze. It is really beautiful and it is awesome experience I had. Number 4, fishing. Before or after watching the monkey, we get the chance to fish on the harbor. All were prepared for you to fish, and it is just for free. Number 5, one of the best reasons why you should be there. MKS BINSULOK to offer you to go to the nearest island there, which is Pulau Tiga, where this place are famous since the TV series The Survivor back in 2000. It is also one of the tourist spots which famous for their volcano mud dipping. Number 6, Kiran Homestay. And if you ever wanted to stay a night or 2 to just enjoy the environment, they do offer you a homestay with a reasonable price. Enjoy seafoods. One of the greatest reasons why tourists attract to visit Borneo, because it's the seafoods. Here, honestly, I really love the foods. It is so fresh. It is cooked with the local taste. 4.5 out of 5 stars. So last to expect from this journey, at 7 p.m. our journey start for the sunset and the firefly sighting. And the interesting parts from this last event was you were able to feel the moment, and you even could touch the fireflies with your bare hands. And do trust me, if you watch them from a distance, you are just like watching a natural Christmas light hanging all over the trees there. It is so beautiful and it is so natural, and it's a lot. But unfortunately, we couldn't take the footage because our gear is not that strong enough to shoot. But to be honest, it is really pure. It's really beautiful. I like to love you every day. Binsulok Riverview Mataban with Pulau Tiga. So after 2 hours from KK Kota Kinabalu, let's check them out. Right. Hello. Right now we are waiting for another half an hour to start our journey towards the environment in Binsulok. So we're gonna catch fireflies and so catch them up soon. After 2 p.m. we're gonna start the journey together. So let's B-roll. let's wrap up everything for this video, guys, and we would like to say big thank you to our sponsorship Borneo Holiday for giving us the chance to get a close-up review to this MKS BINSULOK, and not forgotten to the owner of the MKS BINSULOK for treating us with special treat. I will give the link below on the description. And before we end our video, we would like to ask you a quick question. What is the best places you love that you ever experienced in Sabah, the land below the wind? We would love to hear your thoughts on it. Maybe we could do a visit there in other time. And do comment it on the comment section below. Hit the like button if you like the video. Click the subscribe button if you haven't, and push that notification bell to receive our next video. With that being said, last but not least, thanks for watching. Happy Borneo holiday, and we will talk soon. Peace.